Joshua Brown, Marketing and Technology Consultant for Business Information Solutions, BIS, here along the Gulf Coast. And today I have Miss Emily McNeil, who is co-owner of Sheppard Services here in Theodore, Alabama. And today, Miss Emily, we would like to present you with our Proactive Partner of the Month award. So if you would, before we present this to you, could you inform us how you first discovered BIS?
My husband and I purchased this company in March of 2020, and we were in need of a higher level of service than we were experiencing from our old service provider. We had half of our computers running on a now defunct operating system, Windows 7. When we updated our software, the computers we had that we were leasing from our old service provider were not supported. The software wouldn't update because the operating system was so old. We had called them about getting that updated and had not heard anything back. We weren't getting responses, we weren't getting answers. We had technology issues about not being able to print, and we just could never seem to get a response out of them. So we started asking around and we wanted to use somebody local. We like to support local businesses when we can, and we found out about STC. We requested information online, and Philip replied back the same day and asked if he could come down and sit with us. And he we told him what we were needing, kind of the size of our company, where we wanted to be in the next 5 years. And he put together a really nice presentation and came and sat with us, and we felt like BIS would be an organization that could support us now and also in the future, if we hopefully expand to other locations.
That's awesome, because now we were talking before about some of the service level that BIS performs, of the responsiveness and being able to handle issues for you. Could you just elaborate a little bit on, maybe an average problem that you may see occurring and how quick BIS respond back to you?
Whenever we have an issue, be it if, I know we had an issue with one of our employees unable to print to a printer, and I think the IP address on something changed. We put in a ticket, we emailed the BIS help desk, and within, usually, I'd say 30 minutes, we have a response. It may not be resolved, but we have a response that, hey, we're working on it, or hey, this is what's going on. We've got so-and-so looking at it. We always hear back immediately, which is amazing. Even if it's something that can't be fixed that day, we know that they know about it and they're working on it. And typically, it's always resolved within 24 hours, if not sooner. And if it's a bigger issue, like anytime there's been times we've said, I know when we first got y'all, we said, oh, this is all the computers we need. And then now we're getting into it and we're like, well, we need another one here, or we need another one in the shop. And we've added a couple of more workstations since we've had our contract. And I put in a request for the computer today, and they were here. I put the request in, I want to say, first part of the week, and they're out here today setting it up. So it's always, we definitely we hear back immediately, and then the service time is, super fast. So that's very awesome. Important in our industry.
I know you have a designated client concierge and a chief information officer. I know that relationship is going over very well.
Yes.
And we just want to take the time out today and give you lunch, and also just tell you how much we appreciate you for being a partner with BIS. So we want to give you this award of Proactive Partner of the Month.
Thank you.
And we just thank you for being a faithful client of ours. We want to continue the service that we're giving to you along this Gulf Coast, and hopefully as you grow, we'll be right there to help you grow and facilitate those things with our quarterly business reviews and all of the other services that we provide for you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you for tuning in. Everyone have a great day. Hopefully you will need some of Sheppard Services services.
Yes.